BMW revealed the Facelift 3 Series with updated looks and new interior. Starting with the design, it's got the new grille, which has a different shape, and speaking about the shape, the lights are also a bit different, and they also feature the new lighting signature. Standard specification for all new 3 Series sedan models now includes 17-inch light alloy wheels. Inside, big news is the curved screen with digital cockpit and main touchscreen that also features the new infotainment system. Tell me in the comments how do you like it, and subscribe for more details soon.